Sbongakonke Mhlongo, who's the chairperson of the IFP. Kuyona le branch Nsukangihlale branch Ward 3. La icela ngami udadewethu uZinhle Ndlela, uNobhala. No, as a branch, we have seen now it is a time that we must resolve and singagcini ngokuresolve ukuphela lokho futhi sibhekane with a well orchestrated plan and propaganda by the African National Congress leaders allied branching. There's a well orchestrated plan, and this plan is supported by leaders of the ANC at a senior level. Probably at a senior level, at a level of district and some few in the province. And some of these people who are supporting this plan, the propaganda, distabalize the community, wakwa, some of them die in government, in senior position. Why was saying so? We've been so tolerant. We're political that believe in political tolerance. We've never in this community judged umuntu based on his political t-shirt or political ideas or political parties. And even they too themselves. As a result, they know that because some of them, they've been occupying some position, even on some strategic community positions. We don't judge them based on politics. It is very unfortunate and flabbergasting that currently we are being insulted by people who are non-starters in the issues of the community, by people who don't have the best interests of the community. There's two. So we're saying enough is enough. Let me go straight to the burning issues. I'll just make two examples to why we're saying there's a well-orchestrated plan to destabilize the community and make sure that the leadership of the IFP or the IFP at this level are useless. I think last year, on the 6th April, in fact, not even last year, 5 years back, there have been issues Siyangempumelelo, High School, lapho. Those issues asikaze se responde kuzo thina njengenkatha beyobhekelela abantu abebehola lapho kulawo structures, particularly governing body, abantu who are leaders, who are non-leaders of the ANC lapha ma branches Ward 3. Labo bantu we've never judged them. They destabilize the school in such a way kwagcina ngafundeki, kwagcina hlukana phakathi ekhandeka ama-camp. Kwaba i-department eya-resolve ngokuthi izofaka uthisha omkhulu omunye. Akaze si-respond. Umphakathi wawenza lawo mamashi. Last year, 6 April, umphakathi, not the IFP, eKazini Hall, wacela umhloli omkhulu Mrs. Ceza, and wahamba nenye delegation, senior from the Department of Education. Labo bantu kwakuzinduna emphakathini, kungabaholi from what committees, what councillor, who's also a speaker at Ulundi municipality, Mnz Sbongakonke. Lapho babesho ama issues and grievances ukuthi isikole siyaffecteka even ngalendlela ukuthi ama result ngempela nawo azogcina affecteka. Bashukumela ngokukhulu ukuphuthuma abomnyango we education lolo daba. Kodwa akukho kwa resolvekayo. Umphakathi wasuka lapho hamba omasho. Leaders of the ANC bakhiphe respond live branching, bakhiphe respond hayi lawo bantu wa drunkard, abantu abathengwe uthisha omkhulu, abantu abazinduna zenkatha inkatha. We've never responded because to us we thought no, these people they are not worthy to be responded, but we must focus on a serious issue of resolve issue isikole Siyangempumelelo, because isikole yikusasa lalendawo yakithi. And also by responding to those propaganda and shenanigans, we was going to dilute the real cause, cause of resolve ama issues lokunjani esikoleni. Wasuma umphakathi waphinda wabhikisha. Bona they were circulating SMSs collaborated behlangene nelokhunjana with exchanging, not man the correct word, yeah, exchanging SMSs with senior leaders of the department, insulting, downplaying the real issue yokuthi the principal esikoleni uthi akasakwazi ukusebenza negoverning board ekhona. Abazali bayakubona lokho, abahloli bayakubona lokho, abazali bathi bayicela ukukhethela istructure esile. But ngenxa yokuthi kwakuna few teachers who are instigators and control these few individuals, a leader futhi some of them are leader kwa ANC uta distabalize yatamplaya lo nto leyo. Agcinanga lapho. Kwaphinde futhi kwaqhamuka enye imash. Umphakathi umash. It was udirector Mr. Ndlovu who called the stakeholders meeting at eGazini. In that stakeholders meeting, udirector Ndlovu, director of education eZululand district. When they called that stakeholders meeting, kwakune CMC yalapho Lundi. Kwakuna leaders umphakathi including induna. Ayekhona some of the members umphakathi. We didn't go there as an IFP. We've never responded to as an IFP. This is a first response that affects umphakathi wakwa as the IFP. Ever since I've been active in this organization, I think since 2002, I was organizer of the brigade in this branch. The activities esiwenzayo, we don't politicize izinto, more especially izinto ezisuke ezithinta direct umphakathi ngoba lokho akusebenzisi politics. Kulo meeting udirector advised, not even advised, ruled ukuthi no, principal ne-SGB ayibiza abazali on the issue yaseSiyangempumelelo. Ayibiza abazali kuba abazali abalegitimate abanezingane or who adopted ingane legally abayifundisayo kube bona abazosho ukuthi cha abasayidingi governing board. Ngenxa ukuthi umphakathi wakayithi umphakathi obekezelayo futhi nathi asiboni labantu bayapolitika besingaboni inhloso yabo ukuthi umphakathi ungahlali kahle kuze inkathi ilokhu nje ibe ngathi iqembu nje elinabantu abangacabanga. Kwathuleka wabizwa umhlangano. Kulo mhlangano speaker was there as a leader of the government, not as an IFP. Yes, he deployed by the IFP, but he was there. He led even abantu be-ANC. But that speaker is deployed by us. So if mayizoba khona bese uthi umphakathi umteleke bese intaltwa by leaders kakhongolose bembize naye unamalungelo njengawo wonke umuntu, unamalungelo ukuthi isithunzi sakhe sivikeleke. Induna sibheka umhlabathi wamakhosi, amakhosi abheke ingonyama. Induna njengabaholi bomphakathi uma bezozama ukulungisa isimo, and then they are being insulted by these ANC leaders abala at a branch level, bedownplay ama issues that are confronting community bese bezothi bona inkatha. Induna nabo abantu abadinga abanamalungelo abhalwe phansi ngawonke umuntu bayadingeka ukuthi nabo banikwe isithunzi esibafanele. Leaders of the community and the people nje wonke umuntu unalo ilungelo lokuhlonishwa nje, not insult. Abanye abantu abathukwa abantu abaganiwe abantu abanezingane, they are being called ukuthi izinto ezithengwa ngamakesi kaBhiya, izinto ezingosikotheni. Those screenshots are there. In fact, we will provide to you journalist once we finish this interview to show that this thing even last year biqhubeka. In that meeting, speaker have to go out urespecta ini ruling ka director wa education owayethe abazali ba legitimate induna kwakumele iphume. But it was Mr. Ntshayi umhloli who's acting on behalf of CMC yasemahlabathini kulezi izikole zalapha kwaCeza, who even ask the governing board, the so-called governing board, ukuthi hloniphana abazali ke beingane. Bazali bathi ababadingi othisha bambalwa, izathu zakhona ukuthi zazi legitimate. Governing board yagcina ifuna ukuphuma uduba lomhlangano. Miningi imhlangano kuma ngisho ukufunda ingabikho into eyaphambili. Laba abantu ke who are insulting community, intatha abazali beingane, mabethi abazali beingane, cha thina sifuna kube nozinzo kulesi sikole. Thina lesi sikole sifuna ukuthi kuqhubeke usiko lokufunda nelokufundisa. Mabengenawo ama agenda seceleni ke laba abantu ababhizi bexova nje lomphakathi futhi bethola support kuma senior leaders wabo, then who are they representing? I'm telling you now, more than 10% Siyangempumelelo sifele ngawo kulonyaka. Kwenziwe yini lokho? ama issues ebekhona abangaresolveka abengagwemeka. Only few people, only few teachers who are instigators. Some of those teachers futhi mhlambe noNobhala asisho le mhlambe some part of our resolutions okuzomela siwenze ezeqembu noNobhala kuzomela urun investigation, because we are being told some of those teachers abanye ungathi uyathatha uya-assessa lama result isiyasifele ukakhulu ilabo thisha ukuthi abethu umphakathi cha siyababonga laba akabezanyele kwenye indawo abazobulala umphakathi wangakithi. Uyezwa manje abamba ingane manje kuthiwa babamba ingane manje lapha ema-cottage munye igijima ingane inqunu bathi landlord siyabiza amaphoyisa. But manje as an organization we must now siyeke le ndaba yokuthi sithathe izinto hlonipha abantu so ngokuthi hayi sikamjaji weqembu wabaya politics nathi ake udefend we must be at the forefront. Those are the teachers abenza ukuthi isikole sehle nje manje. Those are the teachers obuthi umphakathi cha hayi umphakathi wenkatha. Yes, Zenkatha is dominating part, but some of the people abasupport lama cause abantu bayakhongoloza, because asikuthi bakhona abantu bakakhongoloza abaphilayo nabawukhathalela umphakathi. But there are these leaders current who are instigating and downplaying all the issues. Kunola zonke izinto ephazamisa inhlaka zomphakathi bakhona. On the issue of Siyangempumelelo, Zenkatha kuyona as an IFP we resolved ukuthi njengamanje we are going to take action as an organization. Some of irresponsibility uNobhala zobeseyenza njengamanje sivumelene uzobhala incwadi abhalele ama branches awu3 at this level kule ward. Iziko lakwaThandaziphe, iziko laseGazini, iziko laphansi kwentaba. Mhlambe sibheke ke sihlale ke sibuka at what level ukuthi how do we then respond to lama issues, because the organization the IFP is under attack. Also sizogcina lapho mase sihlalile kuleyo level leyo sophinde sicontactane namanye ama branches who are within uzone 1, because this attack is well orchestrated and is supported at the top. It can't be ukuthi ngaze kufela isikole kuze manje akuzinzo lapha. Kuze manje we don't know who's leading that school. I'm told even the principal is not there. You wonder izophasa futhi lezingane. So on the issue Siyangempumelelo ngoba isizokwazi ukuthi manje thina as an IFP we are going to write to senior leaders as well futhi, but we are going to chant the cause of action esizoyenza manje. Spade is going to call the spade. IFP took a resolution, organization took a resolution of being a constructive opposition. Sibe liqembu eliphikisa ngokwakhayo. Sizobesaka kodwa lokho kuzobe kungasho ukuthi khona umuntu esomvumele ukuthi adelele athi distabalize umphakathi. Lo mphakathi ongwakithi ukuthi mhlambe siyathula singabantu abahloniphayo akusho ukuthi asaze what need to be done, but njengamanje we are going to be the center of any development, and we are going to call it even what councillors ukuthi the attention that they are giving these leaders of the opposition and they are insulting them, we are not going to stand at it. Laba bantu semele besuke manje endleleni umphakathi wakithi ukwazi ukuba nozinzo. That was the first issue. So we are going to call umphakathi siye nasenduneni futhi as well bese sisho ke i-cause of action as an organization esobe sesithatha thina njengenkatha. Ake ngizeke futhi kule yesibili ukuthi why nithi laba bantu bathola in all centers of the development or of the community or of socio-economic issues bekhona and they are stumbling block. Have been overgoing issue kwaCeza Thulasizwe. Ngekho umuntu ongayazi le nto leyo. Still remember nje nami futhi ngisho ingonyama esebuza may his soul rest in peace. Yayingakakhuthama ngaleso sikhathi when currently the Deputy Minister of Health uDokotela uDlomo, he was still an MEC of Health here in KZN. He came kwaCeza amakhosi ayekhona lapha ethi akawuvali Thulasizwe uzokhanda kabusha. But lento umphakathi umuyithatha manje ngoba asekho isibhedlela lapha into engaba noma nini, and lento ibiyenzeka I think umphakathi if umphakathi wangakithi mani lento nathi noNobhala ngempela kumele silwele ngempela manje lama resolutions wathathile siwamele ngokuthi lento yongathi izinto sihloniphe nje singayithathi ngopolitiki nathi sithi hayi wonke umuntu nje kulungile sibambe ukuthi vele ama issues as affecta sonke asikababandlulula abantu ibuye yasilimaza kulento. Because kwaThulasizwe leyanto inde kakhulu inyanga ngazo ngakhe. Currently isibhedlela is in shambles. Currently, but the leaders of the Congolese lapha emphakathini, umphakathi umorganize march uthi yamasha uthi abantu benkatha, abantu baka speaker, abantu beinduna. I was so disappointed but also relieved by statement sikamhlonishwa uMnz umama noMagugu responding kwimarch kade yenziwa ubuholi bakathu ubuholi bomphakathi iyakwaceza ngandaba kaThulasizwe. Leso statement leso uthi umama umhlonishwa uNomagugu Simelane mangimuzwa kahle ngimkhotha ngokwentatheli uthi hayi lawo bantu nje there is political interference ekhona abantu who are local instigators vele uThulasizwe kahle into isibhedlela uTB abantu abasalokhunji MDR the existing MDR basaleshwa khona so kuzoshintshwa kube clinic. The principles and the fundamentals of good governance first and foremost engiyaziyo ilethwa accountability. But accountable when minister when deputy minister Dr. Dlomo ethuzokwakha etshena umphakathi lo wadla kwaCeza ngubani wakwabuya wathi akusenjalo sebeze kwenza iclinic imuphi umphakathi osuke wabizwa wayena uMnz ngobe responda ikuphi la khona aseke kwatshenwa khona umphakathi ngempela ke kuzokuba iclinic sekumele umphakathi uhambe uyobhikisha bese kuthiwa abantu benkatha. Esibili responsiveness I principle of good governance. How are they responsive? Are they responsive if issues have been burning bewazi iningi iteleka and have been reported kubona vilakazi director wala namanje senguye he's aware about these things. Even myself sengihlalile umhlangano ikweminye umhlangano ngingahlali njengenkatha ngazi wathiwa ngaelethwa ngiba interim lento interim hospital board yakhona kwakunamakhosi ngokwazi wethu thina besalindele ukuthi lo mntana amakhosi ayilindele chaza usibhedlela bazosicelela ungqongqoshe usela ngqongqoshe azochaza umphakathi uyakuthatha lokho ukwenza ngokwabo futhi kufanele umphakathi usubekezele kakhulu kuleyo march. This is a challenge that I want to give these people at the top or at a higher level who are supporting these non-starters and political novices allied branch who are insulting abantu who are fighting the real cause of the community. Kuleyo march was not organized as by the IFP. Even though I support the march and then the organization need to support the march, the grievance umphakathi, but those who are IFP members who participated in march, they went then not wearing IFP regalias. They went there as bahlale balapha. Kuleyo march kwakunabantu bakaKhongolose who are very keen and bephathe ngalendlela embi manje bahleke isingisi bephathe ngalendlela embi ngalama issues affecta lokho kunjani. Convener of the march, it's a well senior leader of the ANC, and I want to applaud ubaba uSawena Madela. Abaholi abanjengayo emphakathini siyabadinga. Umholo obuya beyond abheke into apho provide leadership. I want to challenge the ANC ukuthi imarch yomphakathi okunabantu baka-ANC webhayi umphakathi manje usungabukani ngalendlela ukuthi ugqoka isikibhe esinjani nainto esiaffectayo ake sibeke lokho kwepolitiki sihlangane silwe lento silwe futhi genuine bese laba abalida kwaKhongolose la bezothi these people it's IFP, they are sent by IFP, they are rented by the IFP, they are rented by induna. What kind of the leadership abasinika yona at ANC is providing at this level? We as this fundazwe kwaZulu Natal sisuka kude suke esimene sibi kakhulu la khona ngempela some of us lost our relatives ngenxa ye political intolerance. Ma sekunga ngendlela ukubekezana kwepolitiki understandana sibukana beyond that, why the ANC is so insulting we leadership na we IFP as an organization also bese bezosupport ngabantu abasini ngizothi bayasupporta because I'm told we know that the ANC leadership etezulele it went there kwaThulasizwe Hospital behamba ngemonto emhlophe to oversee abakwazanga ukubiza abantu bemarch behambe nabo because banalo ilungelo behamba bayobheka one nje abaholi bomphakathi ababizanga aba leaders of the march bahambe nabo. These people who are insulting, is this politics yini inhloso uqeda ngazo zonke lezi zakhiwo uqeda ngayo yonke into enza umntwana waphinda angene nento umongameli umhlonishwa uhlabisa afuna iqhubeke lezi zakhiwo uqeda ngomlando wenkatha ukudistabalize thina ngoba si la umphathi wasemakhaya sihlonipha ubukhosi sihlonipha zonke inhlaka. Why are they supporting them? Why the KZN Department of Health ingakazize izo resolve ama issues akaThulasizwe noCeza ngoba phinde phinde longi kumele uze kuphatha umphakathi kulokhu umphakathi ukutele kumphakathi kuse kuthukwa inkatha. No, enough is enough. We're not going to tolerate it. Njengamanje ibridge lapha linqamukile umuntu owaCeza akasakwazi ukuhamba aye eFriday ahambe ngoDuvele into abayaziyo bakwateleka umphakathi baduthulwa ngisabantu baboshwa that thing was organized by the IFP umphakathi umsuka manje ngempela ungahamba uyomasha umashelele yanhlekelele inothi umphathi uyabekezela but as an IFP sesizokuthatha sikubeke emahlombe ethu wagonga to mobilize umphakathi wagonga to also to mobilize other branches wagonga to mobilize other wards wagonga to even to call the senior leaders ithine sesizohola lemkhankaso ibridge ihleli lapha but mawusuka umphakathi ANC yala waCeza izothi inkathe yenza yonke lento yini isn't this a well orchestrated plan to destabilize umphakathi so those are the things as an IFP we are not happy and we've been stood we know the challenges we are confronting umphakathi part of the cause of the action even not organization or not we are governing last leka khona we must be at the center we are the one we have to call those that we deployed to account umphakathini because lento okunika labantu space sibahloniphe sithi bangabaholi iyo le yenza bacacase bezothuka induna bemoshe benza yonke lento le we are called by thugs sibizwa ngegebengu zikhona igebengu elwela ukuthi sicela kube nozinzo esikoleni sicela kube nosiko lokufunda lokufundisa zikhona igebengu cha kahleni musana ukuvala phela lesi sibedlela wayethe umhlonishwa sizokwakhiwa lesibedlela makwakhiwa lesi sibedlela makwakhiwa lesi sibedlela amathuba emsebenzi athola abantu bakule ndawo lesi sibedlela kunabantu abasebenzayo some of them are contracted but kwaCeza yes ungabathatha abahulumeni ubasele kwaCeza bangene yes they are well budgeted by government their funding is there but uthina aba contractors why sivalwa why ke makuthiwa ngempela MDR usekwenzekile awusaqhubeki ke uhlale phansi umphakathi ubeke in confidence what kind of clinic ozoyilokhu uzoyibeka la uzosizakala ngani umphakathi I distance umula kwaCeza is it uCeza is a district hospital enough now lama clinic akhona enough ukuthatha icapacity yazo zonke lezi ndawo ekhona yini esingayenza kumele sempangeni for heart centers nazo zonke lezi awukho besingakwenza ukudevelopa le ndawo besikiyekile konke lokho sikele ebolini kubantu abawolayo but now umphakathi umsuzenzela wawithi umphakathi sawusayida nomphakathi but also not we are going to run our own programs and own campaigns and organization noNobhala wasengishini uyayibhala incwadi soyithumela incwadi nje by next week sobe sicela imhlangano namanye amaziko sibone senza kanjani but enough is enough we are tired of being insulted by abaholi bakwaCongress lapha ezikweni we are tired also ukuthi induna nabaholi bomphakathi bezothukwa laba abantu ama issues affecta wonke umphakathi we want ukuthi sisho futhi nathi singakuthatha ngokwepolitiki lokho kodwa asingabe saqhela asiqhamuke nje simi sikubambe thina we want to call upon to those members of the ANC abakhona la kule ward abantu abangabaholi abakwazi ukuhlukisa phakwe labangaboni ithuba elincane bebona into yokuzuza kwepolitiki ukuthi bame njalo we always respect them kodwa because the so-called leaders and they are supported by high leaders at the top they are insulting the organization they are destabilizing hlawula abantu no as an organization sesiyama no enough is enough so yabona namhlanje sebezobona ke with cause of action we thank you